received a new gas tank for my 68 Camaro, and it actually came in two different packages. So I was only expecting to get the gas tank and the everything that comes with it, not the fuel line. I'm hoping that I get a new fuel line too out of the deal, but there is the original gas tank right there. Again, I tried restoring it. I kind of goofed it up a little bit, so I think it actually will work, but I just didn't want to take the chance with the few little tiny rust spots that are still inside of it. So I went ahead and, in an effort to save the original engine from any potential damage, I decided to get a brand new gas tank. So that's what I did. And I have not looked in here yet. Let's see what we got. Those are the brackets. Or there's one of the brackets, I guess. That's probably both of them. Yeah, it's both of them. So this will actually secure the gas tank underneath. Awesome. That's fabulous because that will be tremendous. Okay, so oh yeah, look at that. I did not anticipate getting this bad boy. Fuel tank neck sleeve. Okay, that's what that's called. I think this came with everything. Oh yeah. And fuel tank filler neck. The sleeve goes over that. Oh yeah. Okay, nuts and bolts. Gas tank anti-squeak kit. Definitely need that. And fuel tank to filler hose. Okay. So figure out how all that goes on there later. And seemingly an empty box, but I think there's probably something on there. And if you think that I'm going to put this on my Camaro, you're out of luck, but I'll probably put that up in the shop. What is this? Sending unit. Oh, okay. Awesome. Perfect. So that's it for the first box. And then the receipt, of course. I'm going to keep this for my records. There we go. There's that. Alright, now I'm going to open the next box. The actual gas tank. Here's the actual brand new tank itself. Whoa. Okay, I don't know why these aren't... Are you kidding me? Okay, that's screwed up. It's all bent. Why would they not put this inside of something? What a bunch of crap. Why would they... I'm sure it won't take much to tweak it, but it's already tweaked. I'll probably just use the original one anyway. That's stupid. Why would they send something and not protect it? Especially something that has restoration parts listed on there. Come on now. Alright, so that's my brand new gas tank for the Camaro. At first glance, looks pretty smooth, especially in comparison to the old one. Looks nice and clean on the outside. I don't know what these marks are. I'm a little frustrated that it kind of looks like that. Even though it is a gas tank, some sort of adhesive or something like that. I don't know, but the outside doesn't really matter at the end of the day, and I can always paint it and everything, and honestly nobody's even going to see this part of it. They're only going to see the underside, which I didn't see all those marks. I'll flip it over here in a second. Really what kind of pisses me off though is that For one, the little package that they put the rubber ring and I cannot recall what this ring is called, but the two rings anyways was in, had a big hole in it, so those fell out during shipping, and it's like they didn't even try. They slapped a little bit of piece of tape on there, but it's cut nonetheless. So these fell out, and the metal ring was damaged. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it or not. Fortunately, I do have the original one, and I'll try to use that instead. Second, they did not make any attempt whatsoever to cover these holes, and so when you ship things in cardboard, especially things that have semi-sharp edges on them, little bits of cardboard can get inside, and there it is right there. See that little piece of cardboard? I can't have that in my gas tank. That's not cool. So now I gotta find a way to fish that sucker out of there. Other than that, I'm super stoked that it's in here. I can finally install it, and then I can work on the gas line. So, alright, that's it for now. So I opened up that sending unit box, and thankfully they sent an extra O-ring or rubber and metal ring. So this one, I haven't opened it yet, but it actually looks like it's in good condition. So I'll go ahead and keep this other one anyway. Just, I don't know, I guess you never know, but I mean, it's damaged right there. I mean, this is garbage. Absolute garbage. And more damage right there. It looks like somebody, I don't know, or maybe it's supposed to be like that. This one has little dents, 3 little dents right there. It almost looks like it was made like that, but this one doesn't have any dents. Well, I'll break out my original one in a little bit and compare all 3 of them. But at the end of the day, I got 3, so I can't argue with that. And I'll be sure to try to use the small one. I'm sorry, I'll be sure to use the original one if I can. Actually, these little cuts or rivets right here are smaller than this one. Yep. I'll just go ahead. Okay, I got my original sending unit, my brand new sending unit, and the brand new sending unit came with 2 sets of metal and rubber rings. This one, or this set, looks more like the original than this second set. This is the ring that was all dinged up, and I'm not sure what these little punch holes are for. It almost looks like they did that on purpose, but that's bent. I don't know why. And then you can see that it's not a perfect circle. So I don't know what the purpose is of this. The gaps, the 3 gaps, are significantly smaller than on this one, as well as on this one. Now I'm also recording this because I want to see how this thing is placed. I have not moved it since I took it out of the original gas tank, so I'm going to take that off real quick so that I can reference this video later on when I put all this stuff together, and then if I have to take it apart and put it back together again for whatever reason. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. My apologies, I'm doing this one-handed. Alright, so okay, maybe there's a way that I can set my awesome I'll tell you what. I'm gonna do it a different way. So now I got all of the all 3 sets of O-rings. I bet you can tell which ones are the originals. So that new ring looks just like that one. Let's see if it is the same size. I would venture to say it is. It looks actually a little bit. Let's see if I can get a bird's eye view. It looks pretty close. I think it's good. This one actually looks a little bit thinner than this one, for whatever reason. And now, oh look, yeah, those are really wide, much wider than that. And actually it looks even wider than this one, so I don't know if this is even going to work. Out of these new rings, this may be the only thing that I can even use. I may have to figure out how to restore that and use that, which they always say that it's best to use the original stuff. So I've come up with a plan to get the cardboard out of the inside of the gas tank. So what I've got here is a flathead screwdriver. I wrapped some duct tape around it so the sticky part is out. Alright, so it worked. Guys, my diabolical plan.